Alright, so we're at the Fowsho and Infamous Grand Opening. It's a lot bigger than I originally anticipated. We have a ton of cars, the overflow lot, as you can see. We have cars everywhere, so it's a really good turnout. We have tons of people repping everything, guys. I got a new shirt today. I'm sure half the crowd got a new shirt. It's great. To the owner of Infamous and Fowsho, congrats, guys. You're longtime friends. I'm really excited to see this thing finally open up and to see it evolve and all the energy with it. It's really just, it warms my heart to see, so congrats.
Hypebeast stuff, sneakers, Infamous Motor Group LLC, which is exotic car rentals. So what's going on, guys? We are here at my shop. This is essentially Shop Fowsho, which is clothing consignment. We do all the hypebeast stuff, sneakers, as well as Infamous Motor Group LLC, which is exotic car rentals. Let's get this started. right, guys, I wanted to thank you so much for coming through to my event. Thank you for seeing how we do things over here at Fowsho and Infamous. Thank you guys so much for coming. Later.
Shout out to my Uncle Moody. It's a really nice shop. It's going to look good and hopefully it's very successful.
Homies with the guys who run this place. Congrats to them. You know, doing good. Good to see the comic books running. Favorite car? All of us. I mean, I love all kinds of different cars. Everything has a different kind of character to it that we appreciate.
I just want to give a huge shout out to Infamous and Fowsho for doing such a great grand opening. I wish you guys all the good luck. It is your guys' start, and congrats once again. And all these dope cars, can't ask for anything better.
Super cool. Just got a free shirt. You're gonna put it on, right?
Really proud of my uncle for finally accomplishing his dream and opening up a dream shop.
Today was really fun. Thanks to Uncle Moody and Infamous for making it a really good day. We got some cookies, snacks, saw a lot of awesome cars, exotics, American Muscle, JDM, everything. And I can't wait to see how the shop grows even more.
Thank you to Uncle Moody for letting making this big grand opening, for all the food and all the shirts that he made, the license plate, all the exotic, American Muscle, and stuff like that. Thank you.
Good day at Fowsho, grand opening, Infamous Motor Group. Good show, good people, good times, good cars. Check it out, check them out. Their shop here in Tustin. Plenty of hype piece clothing, wraps, rentals. You know, good people here. Come through.
Nice, thanks. Anything you want to say?
Just want to say, my boys at Fowsho, make sure to hit them up for anything Supreme, anything wraps, rentals, anything. Another boys. Later.
Hey, proud of my boys. Respect to Fowsho, IMG, come through, it's lit.
Welcome to Infamous Fowsho. This is our grand opening, you know, this is our shop.
Who are you, Mort? What do you do here?
My name is Mortada. I'm the lead tech here, slash manager. I run pretty much the whole, whatever you want to do to your car, we got you, man. You want to turbocharge that thing, you want to bag that thing, you want to wrap that thing, we got you. It's a place to come. We work on, you know, these kind of cars, so whatever you got, man, we got it. So pretty competitive pricing, top-notch work. Check us out.
Awesome.
Oh, him personally, that's my brother, Nasser, and then that's his cousin.
This came out honestly better than what I was expecting it to. Like the come out, like the people, the vibe, like the
Crazy.
cars. It's just amazing. And then they got great products. I didn't win the raffle, but I'm not that bitter. You know?
And just knowing he started like loving cars in high school, and now it's all this.
Yeah.
So it's pretty insane.
On showroom.
Congrats, bro. We love you.
It's good. Love it. The show is nice.
Gyms on Mafia. That's what I want to say to the owner, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I am G. My name is G. Moody's brother.
Hey, let me
you
show
know
you
how we
something.
do.
You feel me? Let me show you something. You know? Shout out, baby. Till it die,
Awesome.
rep that shit. Come on, get Louis.
I'm saying we drinking some water, not liquor. Get healthy. Fuck that. Scat it.
Awesome. Awesome. Best of luck. Congratulations. Got the real deal.
I love the Lamborghini.
Awesome, awesome.
I'm glad I got to go inside the car and feel the Lamborghini. It was awesome, and it was like a two-seated car. It looked really expensive. Thank you a lot for coming here.
Yeah, there's a car right behind you.
Oh, the Rolls.
Great shop, great opening. Tell both of the boys, congratulations. Both. All right.
Drive safe.
Check out his whip, bro. Come check it out. You know, it's there right here. You know, having a good time. You know. Shit. Hey, I remember when he started this in like 10th grade, just doing this shit. And look at him now. You know what I'm saying? It's all big, man. All I gotta say is, keep doing you, bro. Big things coming. You know. Success. You know, this shit right here. Success.
My favorite car right now is the Ford Monte that's over here. It's pretty sick. And then just showing clothing.
Dude, great event. Shout out Dorn and Nasser. They put on a good show.
Dang, shout out. Looking good, looking good. It's just dope.
Today's going really great, you know. We just opened up our new shop. It's a grand opening at the moment, so this is our first location. We're hoping to expand later in the future, but right now I think it was a great success for today.
It's super crowded. It's crazy. As you can see, it's like everybody here in this tiny little space is hot. I mean, I've known Nasser since high school. It's great to see him like come up like this. Like, I hope his whole business as well. Like,
Power to him.